So I'm going to try Ethernet cable with this camera now. Let's try this. Username and password error. You have one attempt. The account will be locked after one times of error. I don't know what this is. Okay, I'm going to try and factory reset this. So apparently this is the button. Hold it for 10-20 seconds. Okay, screen. Now I'm going to attempt and connect to it via the app. Factory reset the camera and now I'm going to attempt and connect to it. Let's see. Search device. Device password. Default password should be admin. Home cam. And try to save it. It's asking me to change the password. If I try, let's say admin 123 admin 123. Oh, this should be admin. Admin 123 and admin 123. Save. Okay. Yep, it's working. You can see it. And with this camera, I can also talk.
Hello.
I can snapshot. I can record as well. And I can listen
Listen
as well.
as well.
And what else I can do? I can move the camera as well. So these are different screens. So if I go back, home cam, and this this is what allows you to move the camera. You can see that. Yeah. So that was